How to update apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Play Store. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap Manage Apps and Device option at the top. Here you can see updates available, update all or see details. Tap on see details. Here you can find the list of applications available update on your device. To individually update app, tap on the update option in front of app. To update all applications at once, you can see the update all button at the top right side. Tap on update all button to update all applications at once. One by one automatically update apps. Now tap the update all and you can see update application one by one on your Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device. So quite easy to update apps in a Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.